Hi everybody, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World. Today we're bringing you this 2005 GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.0 Vortec 4-wheel drive SLE package with only 98,000 original miles. Alright, I know this was a short video, but I hope this gives you a better idea of what this truck looks like and it sounds like in person. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow us. Thank you for watching.